blower motor resistor is located under the dash, right here. It's hard to see because it's behind this panel, but there are two mounting bolts, one right up here on one side, and then another one over here. And they're 5/16. So I'm going to remove those. There we go. Then you can drop this down. And we're going to push on this tab right here and work the resistor off. Now this is going to go up like this, facing out this way. And you want to just put it up in there, line it up, and you'll feel it drop into place. And then you can reinstall your screws. I end up taking my gloves off because you have to do this pretty much by feel. Can't really see much. But I've got one started. I'm going to go ahead and tighten that up. Okay, then you can reconnect your connector. Make sure it's locked into place, and you're all set.